That's why it is said that Lord Ram, he killed the Ravana without any hatred or animosity in his heart. How can Lord have any animosity towards a living entity? We are all his, amshas. So Krishna has no vengeance. Krishna has no animosity. Even if Krishna wants to destroy someone, he cannot do so. Because the moment Krishna decides to deal with someone, the person on the opposite side will become all auspicious. Because Krishna is there. Like the sun cannot see the moonlight. Before the sun travels, the moonlight is gone. The dark night with twinkling stars and the shining moon, they all get disappeared. The Krishna, apparently people say, oh, Krishna ne yuddha karaya. Krishna was the person, Krishna was the man who made, all this. And Gandhari also cursed Krishna. That because of you, these brothers fought. But everyone who was there on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, in everyone's life, what came? Not the death, auspiciousness in the form of death. So what's the harm? So Krishna cannot, he is not revengeful. He cannot be. Because whatever he will do, it will be auspicious for the opposite party.